Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Python. So first of all, you're going to go over here, replit.com. You're going to go on replit.com. Now when you're on replit.com, you will just create a app or just click the first, untitled project that is there. And then when you click on that, you will go to in this interface. So every program starts with a basic thing, hello world. Like every single program, like Google, YouTube, every single program that is made with Python. So let me show you. If you type print hello world and then click this run option. Now when you click the run option, you can see it's going to print hello world. Like it's like a printer that prints something. The 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 editor, like this area over here is the canvas, and this is the output, which is the console, or you can just call it the page where the printer is printing the object is the thing that is needed to be printed. So I'm going to show you the basic variables. So first you are going to click so first you are going to type a equals and then hello. So every string has this double quote or a, a single quote. A single quote or a double quote is still a string. So now when you try to print a, and one thing to note, never never ever put a variable in a string, because it will just print a, because it thinks it's a string, not an object. So it will just print a. Now see, without the string, what will happen? Without the string, see, you will see that hello is being printed. The variable is being stored in the ram, and the ram contains the variable's value. So this is the variable's value, and it's printing the variable's value. So now if you want to make a number, you could just type 700. Now it detects it as a number because it's green. Now you can see that it's a number because it's green. So when you click run, you can see that 700 is being printed. Now when you put it in double quotes, it will think that it's a string. So it will, maybe it looks like this. It will think it's a string. But if you want it to believe that it's integer without removing the double quotes, you could just do like this, and wait, and you can just put this over here. Now when you run it, it will detect it as a string. No, actually it will detect it as a number, integer. So a number is basically a integer. Now you want a float. Float means a decimal. So let's type float. Whoops, wait, everything is correct. Okay, now when you just type 5.8 like this, this is the decimal point. After that there is a decimal. See, that is just the basics of variable and string and whatever. So in the next episode, maybe I'll teach you something new, like uh like how to use if and that and condition blocks. So that is all for today, and I'll see you later. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.